Hello, guys. Welcome back to Happy Minds Academy. Get ready to play. Would you rather? Hardest choices ever. Let's go. Would you rather be able to fly like a bird or swim like a dolphin? Would you rather have a magic backpack that gives you anything or have a talking pet that helps you learn? Would you rather have crayons that bring your drawings to life or have a magic book that tells amazing stories? Would you rather go to a school on the moon or go to a school inside a giant tree? Would you rather build the biggest Lego tower ever or solve the trickiest puzzle in the world? Would you rather turn into your favorite cartoon character for a day or jump into any storybook and live the adventure? Would you rather eat a candy that makes you super smart or drink a juice that makes you super strong? Which options do you choose? Comment down below. Watch this video to take your next challenge. Thanks for watching.